आसगांवा प्रकरणात अंजुना पुलीस निरीक्षकान महासंचालका विरोधात सादर केल्ले म्हायती पत्राचेर कोणाचीच सय ना अशें पुलीस अधीक्षक राहुल गुप्ता हाणें सांगलें. उपरांत ह्या प्रकरणात आतां मेरेन 6 जाणांक अटक केल्या. भितर 5 बाउन्सरांचो आस्पाव आसा. जाल्यार कागाळी फाटीं घेवपी प्रतिज्ञापत्र SITक मेळ्ळां अशें तांचें म्हणणें. ह्या प्रकरणा संदर्भात पुलिसांचो तपास सुरू आसा.
Crime branch has arrested 6 more people. So total arrests in this case as of now stand at 8. I would just reiterate the names of the people who have been arrested. Day before yesterday, on the day of taking over the case, we arrested Ashfaq Qadir Sheikh. Yesterday we arrested 2 more persons, Muhammad Imran Salmani and Azim Qadar Sheikh. And today we have arrested 3 ladies who were there on the spot, Shaheen Saudagar, Bismillah Gorgundagi and Shalan Kalappa Morekar. Total arrests are 6. Out of these, 5 people that we have arrested were present on the spot. They were part of the mob who were engaging in the demolition process. And Ashfaq, he had given his vehicle Creta for the commission of this offence. And the second vehicle which was there, Toyota Innova, we had also seized that vehicle yesterday from Imran. He had brought that vehicle with some of with the associates to commit this crime. It's a document which is unsigned, an unnamed document. I had also received this document. It is unsigned and unnamed document, and at this stage, it is very premature to draw conclusions from that document. And still, we are we are conducting investigation, and as and when something comes up, we will inform you.
Is that fake document?
I cannot comment on that right now.
But sir, that document is submitted to the CS, who is the inquiry officer.
It is still to be verified because it's unsigned and unnamed document.
But sir, it is claimed that it has been submitted to the CS.
We'll check.
The allegation is made against the Director General of Police, who is a senior officer, who is above you in the...
As I said, it's an unsigned and unnamed document. It is difficult to, it is premature to draw
Is it
conclusions.
bearing on your investigation?
Investigation is going on as per the emerging facts, and if something comes up related to this matter, we will also look.